Welcome to our journey of exploration. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring adventure to some of the most captivating wonders of nature around the world. From the towering peaks of Mount Everest to the fiery eruption of Parícutin Volcano, and the unique biodiversity of the Galápagos Islands, we'll traverse through the beauty and grandeur of Mount Kilimanjaro and the enigmatic Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. So, buckle up, and let's begin this visual feast of natural marvels. Our first stop takes us to the majestic Himalayas, where Mount Everest stands tall and proud, reaching for the sky. As the highest peak on Earth, it beckons mountaineers from across the globe to challenge themselves against its icy slopes. Climbing Everest is not just a physical feat, but also a spiritual journey of perseverance and determination. The breathtaking vistas from the summit reward those who conquer its heights with a sense of achievement and humility. Now, we travel to Mexico, where a natural wonder was born from the Earth's fiery depths, Parícutin Volcano. Witnessing the birth of this volcano in 1943 was an extraordinary event, as it emerged from a farmer's field and grew over time, reshaping the landscape around it. The eruption of Parícutin reminds us of nature's raw power and how the Earth's geology is in constant flux, shaping the world we live in. As we sail towards the enchanting Galápagos Islands, we find ourselves in a living laboratory of evolution. These isolated volcanic islands inspired Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection. Here, we encounter wildlife found nowhere else on the planet. Giant tortoises, fearless marine iguanas, and the curious blue-footed boobies are just a few of the unique inhabitants of this remarkable archipelago. Our journey now takes us to the rooftop of Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro. This dormant volcanic mountain stands as a sentinel over the Tanzanian landscape, its snow-capped peak visible from miles away. As we ascend, we pass through varying ecosystems, from lush rainforests to barren alpine deserts. The climb to Uhuru Peak, the highest point on Kilimanjaro, is an adventure that tests not only our physical endurance but also our connection to nature. Our final wonder brings us to Northern Ireland's mystical Giant's Causeway. The unique hexagonal basalt columns formed by ancient volcanic activity leave us in awe of nature's artistic prowess. Legends of giants and magical tales surround this place, but the real magic lies in the geological forces that shape this UNESCO World Heritage Site. From the roof of the world to the depths of volcanic eruptions, and from the evolutionary playground of the Galapagos to the geological marvels of Giant's Causeway, our world is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. Join us in celebrating and preserving these natural wonders for generations to come. Until next time, remember, nature's miracles are all around us if we take the time to look.